Magandang buhay mga ka-FB Reels. Ngayong umaga guys, mayroon po tayong dalawang bucket dito na may tubig. Kahapon guys, mayroon po tayong nagawang liquid fertilizer gamit po yung binlend na banana peel and honeydew melon. Binlend ko po iyan mga kaibigan, and then I added into the water. Kasi ito po yung ating gagawin pang dilig. And also, alam nyo ba guys, yung mga binalatang mga fruits and veggies ay maganda po to sa ating mga pananim. At gumawa din ako ng miracle juice guys, yung mga sediment ng ating miracle juice katulad ng cucumber, celery, carrot, ginger, beetroot, and lemon. Ayan po ay kinit ko din po guys. Liquid lang po yung aking kinuha, and then the sediments I'll put into my liquid fertilizer sa ating halaman. Ayan po yung may natira po tayong liquid dyan from the blender. Nilagay ko ng tubig, pangdagdag din yan pataba. Based on my research here in Google, peeled vegetables and fruits are packed with vital macronutrients like potassium and phosphorus, and micronutrients such as calcium and magnesium. When broken down into compost or liquid fertilizer, these organic scraps help plants develop strong roots, lush green leaves, and healthy flowers or fruits, while also enriching the soil. Ang mga specific nutrients benefits include potassium helps promote flowering, fruiting, and overall plant vigor found abundantly in banana and citrus, which is may lemon and banana peel po tayo dyan binlend sa ating nilagay na liquid fertilizer. Phosphorus supports strong roots, develop and sturdy stem, common in roots, vegetable, and banana peels, which is we use the vegetable as well guys and banana peels. Calcium and magnesium contributes to plants cells strength and helps promote lush and green. If you try to make DIY compost or fertilizer sa inyong mga pananim, you can use composting by toasting peels into compost bin into the soil, or liquid fertilizer. Is more better yung liquid fertilizer guys, kasi you can put into water, soak overnight 24 or 48 hours, and then you water to your plants. This allows the nutrients to leach into the water, creating an easy organic liquid feed for your plants. Kung mayroon kayong mga citrus peeled like lemon, lime, and also oranges, you can soil augmented, dehydrated, and crushed citrus peel can be used to add nutrients and slightly increase the acidity of your soil for specific plants. Ayan guys, big help talaga guys pag mayroon tayong ginawang home remedy na fertilizer sa ating mga pananim. So mas maganda guys, direct to water talaga yung ating binabad na mga fruits and vegetable na igagawing fertilizer sa ating pananim. Is big help talaga guys. So yan lang guys may share ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong ulit, at ingat po kayo, and God bless and happy Saturday everyone.